Today, I'll show you how to change your Godaddy name servers. So let's get started without any delay. First, go to godaddy.com and log in. Once you're logged in, click your name in the top right corner, then select My Products from the drop-down menu. From the list of your domains, choose the one you want to update. On the left side, click Domain, and then in the middle of the page, click Manage DNS. This will open your DNS management page. Find the Name Server section and click it. Here you'll see your current name servers. By default, they're usually set to GoDaddy's. Click Change Name Servers, then select I'll use my own name servers. Now you can enter the name servers provided by your hosting provider, such as ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com. If you need more, you can click Add Name Server to enter additional ones. Make sure to check the links in the description. Once you've entered them, click Save. Keep in mind, changes may take up to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, though in most cases it happens within an hour. That's all it takes to change your name servers in GoDaddy.